Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Shorts. This is Neeraj Raval from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. This newsreel is sponsored by Alpine Engineers Private Limited, specialists in building high-performance plastic extrusion and thermoforming machines. A Polymer Update group company, Metals Update, has released the Indian Copper Outlook 2020-21, Copper Out of the Pit. The report contains all that you need to know about the Indian copper market. Indian refined copper consumption, production and price forecasts have been provided till the year 2020-21, and one-time purchase gives you access to all future updates in 2017. So hurry and buy your copy today. Crude oil prices drifted lower on Thursday, while WTI traded at $52.61, down $1.22 per barrel. Brent finished at 55.08, down 1.28 per barrel. Open spec naphtha prices also dropped sharply on Thursday and were assessed at $484 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a tumble of $17.50 per metric ton from Wednesday. On Thursday, propylene prices marched higher in Asia, with prices assessed at $945 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a day-on-day increase of $25 per metric ton. Reports of improved buying sentiments supported the price rise in the region. Benzene prices in Asia edged up on Thursday at the $915 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a rise of $5 per metric ton on the day. Higher downstream SM rates supported the price climb. Styrene monomer prices meanwhile firmed on Thursday in Asia, with rates assessed at $1370 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a sharp day-on-day gain of $30 per metric ton. Prices climbed in anticipation of tight product avails going forward, owing to an unplanned outage at a 200,000 metric ton SM plant at Changzhou Dangho Chemical. In the US markets this week, PVC prices firmed and were assessed up by $10 per metric ton. PPHP and PPCP prices rose sharply by $40 per metric ton and $50 per metric ton respectively. HDPE film prices edged lower by $10 per metric ton. HDPE injection and HDPE blow molding prices climbed by $10 per metric ton and $15 per metric ton respectively. LDPE prices gained by $15 per metric ton, while LLDPE prices were assessed higher by $10 per metric ton. Polymer Update is South Asia's first petrochemical market intelligence platform. Over the past 17 years, the company has helped create benchmark price assessments for various commodity polymers. Polymer Update's proprietary methodology is widely respected and has built a strong enough credibility to help several thousand industry leaders make business-critical decisions on a daily basis. Feedback shows that most of Polymer Update's subscribers save large amounts of money while basing their decisions on the intelligence we provide. To get real-time polymer prices and daily news updates, subscribe to Polymer Update today. Thank you and have a great weekend.